Hey beautiful people, let's talk about something that's been a game changer in skincare routine. The RDL Baby Face Facial Cleanser with Kojic plus glutathione. If you're on a quest for that radiant glowing skin, this might just be your new best friend. First off, let's dive into what makes this cleanser so special. Kojic acid is the star ingredient here, known for its amazing skin brightening and lightening properties. If you've been struggling with dark spots or uneven skin tone, this cleanser is designed to help fade those skin imperfections and give you that even luminous complexion we all dream of. So if you're ready to brighten up your skincare game and tackle those dark spots, give RDL Baby Face Facial Cleanser with Kojic Acid a try. Your skin deserves all the love and care, and this cleanser might just be the boost it needs. So let me know if you've tried it or if you're thinking about it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep glowing.